Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a stock list. First, clearly define your investment goals and risk tolerance. Are you seeking long-term growth or short-term gains? Understanding your objectives is the foundational step. Next, identify sectors and industries that align with your interests and investment thesis. This initial filtering helps narrow down the vast market, making your research more focused and efficient. Once you have a sector in mind, delve into essential metrics. Look at fundamental data like the price-to-earnings ratio and revenue growth over the past 5 years. Also, examine technical indicators such as the 50-day and 200-day moving averages to gauge momentum. Don't forget to consider market capitalization and any consistent dividend history, which can signal financial health. Modern tools make creating a stock list much easier. Use online stock screeners to filter thousands of companies based on your chosen metrics, saving you significant time. Stay informed with real-time market updates from reputable financial news platforms. Additionally, many brokerage firms offer comprehensive research reports that provide valuable insights into potential investments, often including analyst ratings. A stock list is not static. It requires dynamic management. Make it a practice to review and update your list regularly, perhaps every 3 months, to ensure its relevance. Remove any companies that no longer align with your investment thesis or show deteriorating fundamentals. Continuously add new promising opportunities as market conditions and company performances evolve, keeping your list fresh and effective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.